Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint SWOT infographic in just a few minutes. So first of all, you're going to go to shapes and you're going to insert this shape and then you're going to change its height and width to about 14 centimeter. Put it into the middle and the center of your slide and you have to make 1/4 of its shape, duplicate it and then put it on top of the previous shape. Go to view and click on guides. Next, you're going to expand the second shape and you have to put it right here like this. Decrease its size to about 10 centimeter, both height and both width. So let's just give them some gap on both the right and on the top and bottom sides. Along with the grids, we have to just make some space that they do not touch the grids. Next, we're gonna duplicate the shape and we're just going to put a third shape on and then we're going to increase its size a bit and then put it right on bottom right part. Duplicate the same shape and we're going to decrease its size and then we're going to just expand this shape so that we can just make a shape onto the right top side of the guides. Let's change their height and width to 11 centimeter. So here we are, all the shapes are ready. Go to select them and remove the outline, give them this fifth number shadow, select them one by one and give each one of them like a separate color, a different color that looks nice. Here you go. Next, we're done with our shapes. We're gonna go to shapes and now we're going to insert a small circle, probably 4 centimeter of height and width. Put it on the middle of your shapes and give it a right fill that matches with the other colors. We're going to go to shadows and give a fifth number shadow. The next thing we're gonna do is write something. First of all, we're just going to decrease the space between these shapes, and next we're going to insert a text box and write SWOT in it, and we're going to put it in the middle and the center of our slide. Change this fill to white. Here we are. Next, we're going to insert text boxes in each one of the shapes and write our text in it. And one by one in each one of them, I'm just going to duplicate the same text box and then paste it in each of the shapes, individual shapes, and then change our text. So in first we're going to write S and next W, O, and then T, and we're going to write them respectively. Here you go. Next we're going to go to shapes and insert a straight line right here. Let's just make it a bit leaning. Here you go. And we're going to just put each one of them in along with each one of the shapes. Let's just put each one of them right next to each one of the shapes. Next, what we're going to do is insert a small circle and then change its height and width to 0.2 centimeter and put it on the tip or on the starting tip of each of the straight line or the bending line, just where it connects with our shapes. So we're going to use in total 4 small circles. Here you go. Now let's select all 4 lines and we're just going to give them a lighter outline fill and a lighter shape fill. So here you go. The next thing we're gonna do is add our text boxes, decrease its size, remove our unnecessary text, give it the left side alignment. Or for those text boxes that are onto the right side, we're gonna give them a right side alignment, and those that are onto the left side, we're gonna give them the right side alignment. Similarly, this way we're going to give each one of our text boxes alignment and then place them right next to the straight lines. So here we are, we have completed our infographic. So that was all I had to make in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below.